a mother of three. Even though I came from a family where food was scarce, I still try my best to feed my children in the best way I can so that they wouldn't experience going through a day without food, as I've experienced often in my childhood days. I am a single mother who wish her children the best in the world and hope to see the day when they finally grown to become fine young men and women. But now I'm struggling, and it seems that I was left with little to no choice at all. How can someone like me succeed in life when even after getting a diploma, shut doors were all I could see? Just because I was poor doesn't mean I should be deprived of everything that life has to offer. Life is beautiful, but I guess if life saw me, all its beauty would fade away instantly. How can I feed my children? How can I be a good mother if I cannot even sustain the basic house expenses like water and electricity, much more the food that they need? I'm running out of options, and it is maybe safe to say that I am good as nothing, and that I failed them, loving children. But here I am, proving to you that a mother's love is all that's worth. When even a glitter of hope was vacuumed by a black hole, I stumbled upon a light. Acadsoc found me, and we sure are meant to be. Acadsoc gave way for that little tiny hope that I so longingly yearned, and it helped me finance the needs of my children. Acadsoc pulled me out of my doomed adversary, and up until this day, I am awe-stricken, thankful, and privileged to have been one of its teachers. As a mother, working outside the house is a nuisance that I cannot attend to. I still need to look out for my 3 children, all of whom are still underage. I cannot raise a day not seeing them because as a single mother, it is my job to be a mother to my kids 24/7. And thanks to Acadsoc, I was able to balance my time well and still sustain the financial obligations at home. Acadsoc was a hero to me. It saved me from what I thought was my eternal misery. But boy, how wrong I was! Acadsoc gave me back my life. Acadsoc gave me my freedom. If you are like me who are struggling with the financial burdens of life, then choose Acadsoc. Trust me, you could never go wrong with it. Teach more, love more, and earn more.